My people, Regina Daniel fans don't come outside. They don't vex. Now they protest, they carry cardboard, all those things. They write things on top. They say make Ned Nwoko no marry any other wife after Regina Daniels. Now the protest where they go around with this, my people everywhere hot. And this thing, as they talk to me like this, if they happen for Port Harcourt, those people they don't vex. I beg before I go continue because my blood too they hot. I beg I won't make una see am with una eyes, wetin dey shele.
Ned Nwoko must not marry another wife. Oh. We be Regina Daniels, Regina Daniels fan. Nigeria, you must hear us. Ned Nwoko must not marry another wife. Ned Nwoko must not marry another wife. I say Ned Nwoko, we are hearing that he's planning to marry more wives. He cannot marry more wives. Ned Nwoko, if you watch this video, you are hearing us. We are Regina Daniels fans.
Joblessness in highest order. For now under this hot sun, una dey imagine how the sun dey hot. Now these people decide say they come outside, come protest. When I first hear the noise, I been they think say okay now one kind better thing. I don't know say na Ned Nwoko matter they don't come bring outside. Now this thing that they call joblessness where they lead to depression. I dey tell una, and if una no dey careful, you go so enter madness. I dey tell una, and now una go dey insult President Buhari. Oga President, say they insult youth, they call youth jobless. No, the thing wey una dey do now, they show say una get job. No be joblessness be this. If only una get sense, una at least go look for wetin una could do wey go dey bring una money. This one sef, I no go even dey surprised. Say Regina Daniel mama dey involved. I no go dey surprised because even get one video where two of them do. They insult, they fight. What be her name? Chika Ike. Serious one, no. Because and I know say this woman, she ready to go any length. As long as say Ned no go bring another woman. No be just about Chika Ike. And they show say this woman go even enter spiritual level. I dey tell you, but wetin she no know be say before Regina, other ones don dey. So I don't see why you dey protect the body, because another person go enter. Your pikin meet another person. I better me put this slay queen picture. You now you just dey shout, leave my husband, leave my husband, leave my husband. You fit manufacture husband. You know how they make husband. Just dey there, they talk. Make I tell you something. Chika Ike no be your mate. Hope say you dey hear me. Open your ear. She no be your mate. Oh, the fact say una don dey share gundus, you know mean say she be your mate. You understand? I no even blame you sef. Na your mama wey carry you put inside this road where you dey. Now why you don't feel say you dey on top of the world? Now wow. For una wey dey protest, if una no waiting good for una, at least una still get time. Una go just drop all those things wey una dey hold. Go look for better thing wey una fit do with una time. See EndSARS protest. They still need protesters, make them join. Una no know wetin una go do, which kind of protest una suppose protest with all the things wey kasala wey full for Nigeria now. Una no go join people where they stand for their rights. Una dey follow Regina and Ned dey protest. Now una money Ned dey use marry woman. I been come beg una say you no get money, say you wan marry. Wetin concern Nigeria with how many wives man wan marry? Nigeria get important things to face. Make una better get sense. So because it be like say this Nigeria son, you don't dey affect una head. So una just dey there dey waste una time. Make una better go find job to do. If una no get job, go sit down, sleep for your house. Una just dey there, dey make plenty noise. I be my people. I talk good, I talk bad because I don't understand. Imagine protest. I beg you, EndSARS, go carry these people. They need you now. Join them. Now no see this lady as she stand for her right. Wetin be her name? Yesufu. Na person like that we need. Assuming all of una we gather there, use that energy. Go join EndSARS protest. If na for add value to Nigeria. They waste on time. I bet my people no time. Now the matter be this so Nairobi Regina Dani. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Number 7 will come. Abi no go come. What you think? Drop out for the comment section. And don't forget, share this video, make it go viral. You understand? And click on that subscribe button if you never subscribe. My people, as I dey talk to Nana, 43 Navy people, they miss. They say they don't disappear. Say they vanish. They carry them. I don't know which kind of mission they go do. They inside ship and they can't reach some Europe countries. Now so all of them can't dispatch. Everybody just enter their corner. Till now, they find them. They don't put their pictures. They don't put their names everywhere for internet. Say I beg, if we see them, make we help them find them. Who go help you find them? Me. See these people. You know, before I dey wonder. No say Nigeria. Nigeria they know they pay. So me I dey wonder why every time you go just hear say people don't enter army, people don't join police, people don't, you know, every time I dey wonder with the poor salary, sometimes I have no salary, people still they enter. Now until I can't find out. It takes but I find out, my people. You no go believe say these people they plan now. You understand? Imagine these ones now. They don't say they go carry, they go Europe. All those countries. So they enter so that when opportunity come, they go just, you understand, divert. Now I can't understand the main reason why these people they join. All these things they happen based on they give people job. Say I know this person know this person. We are not go give job for people where they qualified, people where need that job, people where study, where do. Una never even start the find though. Relax. Una go dey find. I mean we get job to do. I go help una go dey. I bet not disturb our internet or we get better things what they do with our time. You understand? My people, imagine. Now these people, they say if they catch any of them, say na prison straight to. Because based on the agreement, the thing where they sign, now they're not supposed to leave. So they don't leave now. If I be them, I will even change name. I will do anything where will make people not to recognize me. Yes. Imagine, you know they pay people where? Assuming they pay people where now they go even want stay. Now they go even they hungry, say they stay. You know they pay them where? You still they look for them. You never start. Government with all una power. Make I see how una want settle this one now. Pay them well. Pay your workers well. And you will see how they go even they glad. You know they see white people. No, see Nigeria army, abi uniform people, they run. They know sabi resign. They now run, they run. But abroad, everything they on paper. You don't ask yourself why. Government, shame on you people. I'm not going to talk past this one. My people, now the matter be this. They don't miss. Now, wait till you think say government supposed to do. May they continue to look for them. I be make they allow them live their life. My people, now Europe, they talk about if now you go come back. Wait till you think, my people. Drop out for the comment section. I want to know what's in your mind. You understand? And make sure say you share this video, make it go viral. And if you never subscribe, I beg you, no send me back to my village. You understand? Subscribe. Click the like button if you enjoyed it too. Yes, I go see you later.